Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our third episode for mechanical engineering in engineering sciences for summer semester master degrees. And in the previous video, we already did the detailed TH Ingolstadt application video for summer semester. If you're applying, then the application deadline was till January 15, so you had ample amount of time to apply for production engineering and artificial intelligence MA engineering part-time. And today, likewise, we will be doing our episode number 3 for computational mechanics, University of Duisburg-Essen in Duisburg, for people who want to pursue in mechanical side of the degree. And before starting, if you are still here, if you don't want any of the bilingual course, then please exit the video, because most of the courses in Duisburg-Essen will be bilingual, where you need to also have B2 level of German. That's for sure. So if you don't want to do it, then please go back and look for other courses which are completely in English. In our, if you are new to this channel, in our channel we make videos about requirement analysis and application video. In the requirement analysis, we just go through the DAT website and put a filter for electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, etc. Then we go through each university, and in each university we do the requirement analysis. We understand the requirements and what are the documents that we need to have in order to apply for application. Then when is the deadline, what are the registration procedure that we have to follow, and where to apply. After getting to know all this, we also make application video where we make step-by-step procedure on how to apply for same particular application. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you need me to apply for you, then please contact me via mail or become a YouTube member. Then we can also schedule one-on-one session with me. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, it will be episode number 3 for computational mechanics in University of Duisburg-Essen, which is a bilingual course. You need to have both English and German requirement to be fulfilled. Overview, you can just say the degree is Master of Science, and most of the time, if it is MSc, it will be 4 semester, and course location is in Duisburg, which is near to Essen in NRW, and teaching language is in German and English both, because it's a bilingual. The language of instruction is half German, half English. This means approximately 50% of the course is taught in English and approximately 50% of course is taught in English. The language of examination is same as the language of instruction in the corresponding lecture. So if you have taken a lecture with English, then language of examination will be also in English. If you have taken a course in German, then the language of examination will be in German. So you have to give the exam in German. So this is a thing in bilingual course. So before you apply, please make sure you know about this bilingual course, then apply if you are willing to take German courses. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible, not part-time possible. And program duration we already taught, it is 4 semester, and beginning of semester is both in winter and summer semester. The regular beginning of program in annually October for winter semester, and for summer is April. Lecture period starts usually from October and ends in February, and for summer it starts usually in April and ends in July. Application deadline, so we already know 1st May to 31st July is the winter semester deadline, and for some semester it is from 1st November to 31st January, and we are well within the deadline. That's the reason I am making a video now. Requirement analysis will be done, and upon finishing requirement analysis, I will also make 2 application video for this particular course and this particular college. And tuition fees is none. Combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. And description of the content, whichever whenever you do this particular course, what is the guarantees and what are the things that you will be learning in future. But at first we will go through the course details, then we will understand what are the things that they are disciplinary teaching, then we will understand more. And if not, then we will also make application video. Anyway, we will do the requirement analysis in the official website of Duisburg-Essen. There I will just go through the module handbook and show you how to know the course details. In all master degree program follows the same structure, consists of core subjects, advanced electives, and master thesis. So mandatory courses are oblige student and provide in-depth knowledge in specific discipline. The students of profiles specialization in specific area with this discipline. Elective courses can be chosen out of any disciplinary engineering. The overall language of instruction each master degree is 50 English, 50 German. This is normal for all master degree courses in University of Duisburg-Essen. And after they have told that yes, the 3 semester will be your lecture period with course and elective modules, and in between they also have a project module project, research project or student project, then the fourth semester would be your master thesis. This is how fourth semester is divided, and whenever you finish your degree with your past in your thesis, then a diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree. Integrated or international element, integration, optional study abroad units are there. If you want to do a study abroad unit, then you can also do. This description of international element, the international orientation is realized by lectures offered German and English language of instruction, strong collision with the international partner university, living studying in multicultural environment. Then course specific integrated German language course is not there, course specific integrated English language course is not there. So it's just like it both are there, so because it is a German and English language course. So usually if you get a conditional admit with A1 A2, then you have to come here, do the language course of German, then get the B2 certificate, then you start the education in Duisburg-Essen. Cost and fundings. In order to pursue this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? So you don't need a tuition fees. The tuition fees is free, but you need to pay the semester contribution of 350 euros per semester. Then only you can get your student ticket and travel around the Germany as of now with the Deutschland ticket. If not, then you can also travel in North Rhine-Westphalia, which is NRW, the complete state you can travel with just 350 euros. Then cost of living is estimated up to 1200. So it's usually vary from 1000 to 1200. So in between, if you live, then it is fine. If you are living more than that, then I suggest you to find a part-time job. If you are under, then it is also good for you. But at first year, you don't need to worry, because at first year you would have applied for blocked account, and this blocked account will be divided into 12 parts, and each month you will get that part of your blocked account. After first year is the problem where you have to show your visa authorities that you have some job outside, or either from technical part-times or non-technical part-time, in order to prove that they will extend your visa so that you can earn money and live in Germany peacefully. Then funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity, so no need to. Then requirements and registration. What are the general requirements you need to have in order to apply for this particular course and how to get into this particular college? Academic admission requirements. So bachelor degree in appropriate subject area. If you are applying in computational mechanics, the appropriate subject area will be computational engineering, mechanical engineering, other thing, mechanical related engineering, with adequate length of study, which will be 4 semester or until 3 semester is also fine, depending upon their acceptance criteria, because they have not mentioned either 3 or 4 degree. But bachelor of engineering or bachelor degree in Germany also, they think as it's a 4 years degree with the average marks issued of at least 2.5. So 7.3, 7.4 should be the minimum CGPA in order to apply for this. Eligible as an academic admission. Then in language requirement, as I told you, you need to have English B2 and German B2 both. So for B2 it will be 6 and above, or 6.5 above for English proficiency. For German proficiency, you need to have B2 level of German with Goethe, TELC, or any of the recognized English German language. You have to apply with that. Application deadline from 1st May to 31st July for following winter semester, and from 1st November to 31st January for summer semester. And we are inside the deadline, as we are scheduling this video before 31st January, and this video will be out before January. So I suggest you guys to please look into it and also apply for this particular course and college. Submit the application in their application portal, so you don't need to go via UniAssist, and the application will be free. That's the reason use their application link and services. After getting an admission, then you will have your visa interview, then you will get your student visa, then you travel to Germany. After traveling to Germany with your student visa, you can work for 140 full days and 280 half days. With this, you can also work in technical jobs like work student, Hiwi, research assistant, etc. If you don't find any of the technical jobs, you can also do non-technical ones. And after, as soon as you get an admission, they usually suggest you guys to get a accommodation in student and work in their college dormitories, because that will be cheaper and it will be good for you to also live there, because you will be living in your own commodities with Indian or any of your country people. So it will be good, and you feel good when you're first starting your studies in Germany. Then career advisory service will be always there. Support from international students, welcome event, tutor, culturing, linguistic preparation, buddy program, other things will be always there. But yeah, that's the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in today's requirement analysis video, episode number 3 for computational mechanics.